every other day. The incident that brought this press conference, looking at our colleague Boniface and Agatha, and previously, if you remember, we had the Maria Sarungi case that happened here, and also the case of Kizza Besigye. We are concerned that there is some kind of collusion between the three governments to silence dissent in every way. If you realize, even now as we speak in this country, there are particular laws that are being used to kill dissent. We have the proposed Kenya Information Communications Bill that's talking to look at issues of digital rights and all of that. We are looking at how police have abdicated their responsibility and left things to abductions. So whether the abductions are done by governments or done by agencies of government, but if you look at the level of impunity that is being displayed, then it means that the governments are involved. So yes, it should concern us. And don't forget that these countries are primary signatories to several international legal instruments. The International Convention on Civil and Political Rights is one. We're talking about the UN Charter Against Torture, and we must just subject them to the accountability that comes from those particular documents that they have put their signatures on.